Welcome back to my channel. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please click on the subscribe button and bell icon to get all the latest updates. Also follow me on Instagram. My Insta ID is English Learning 1205. So in this video, I will tell you how to write sick leave application, tips to write sick leave application, its format and one solved example. So if you don't know what is a formal letter or how to write a formal letter, then check out the video of formal letter with example. Link is in the description box. Also, leave application is exactly same as how we write formal letter. So what all we have to include in a sick leave application? Look at the format. First of all comes the sender's information, that is full name of the sender. Then write the address of the sender. Then in the next line write city, state and pin code. Next write the date should be in full form, don't write the date in short form. Then write receiver's information, that is name of the receiver, then the name of the organization, then address and also include the city, state and pin code. Then write the subject. In subject write the purpose of the application, कि आप एप्लीकेशन क्यों लिख रहे हो. देन नेक्स्ट राइट सैल्यूटेशन, दैट इज रिस्पेक्टेड सर और मैम. In first paragraph, briefly mention the purpose of the letter. Then comes the main body or the main content of the application, or you can say formal letter. In the main content, clearly state the reason for leave. Mention any specific symptoms. Indicate the dates for which leave is requested. Also, if applicable, express the willingness to delegate tasks or provide handovers. Also mention that if urgent, you are accessible for the same. Then write the complementary clause, that is express understanding of potential inconveniences and also thank them for their understanding and support. So now look at the tips to write a leave application. The following advice will assist you in creating a strong application for sick leave. Keep the application tone serious and professional at all times. हमेशा अपनी application की tone professional way में लिखो. Remember that this is a formal correspondence with your company or school, so don't use too informal language, because आप formally अपने school में या company में ये application दे रहे हो तो language formal ही लिखना. At the start of the application, clearly mention your name, class or position along with any other pertinent information. अपनी एप्लीकेशन की स्टार्टिंग में अपना नेम, क्लास या जो भी पोजीशन है आपकी वो इन्फॉर्मेशन मेंशन करना. इंडिकेट विच डेट्स यू वुड लाइक टू टेक सिक टाइम ऑफ. आपको कौन कौन सी डेट्स पे ऑफ चाहिए वो मेंशन ज़रूर करना. गिव अ ब्रीफ एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ योर सिक लीव. इट वुड बी अ फीवर और एनी अदर एलिमेंट इन दिस इंस्टेंस. मतलब ब्रीफली एक्सप्लेन करना कि आप सिक लीव क्यों ले रहे हो. ओवर एक्सप्लेन नहीं करना, टू द पॉइंट एक्सप्लेन करना है कि आप सिक लीव क्यों ले रहे हो. यू डोंट हैव टू डिस्क्राइब योर सिम्टम्स इन ग्रेट डेप्थ, बट अ क्विक समरी इज़ यूजफुल. मतलब जो सिक लीव लिख रहे हो, क्यों लीव ले रहे हो ये तो मेंशन करोगे, बट उसके सिम्टम्स डिटेल में नहीं मेंशन करने, बल्कि शॉर्ट में बताना है कि क्यों सिक लीव ले रहे हो. दैट्स इट. Next is check for typing mistakes and grammatical problems in your application before submitting it. अपनी एप्लीकेशन को सबमिट करने से पहले उसमें टाइपिंग और ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक्स ज़रूर चेक कर लेना. नेक्स्ट, एन एप्लीकेशन दैट इज़ वेल रिटन कन्वेज योर प्रोफेशनलिज्म. अच्छी वेल रिटन एप्लीकेशन इंडिकेट करती है कि आप कितने प्रोफेशनल हो. सो मेक श्योर आप अपनी एप्लीकेशन अच्छी प्रोफेशनल वे में लिखें. नेक्स्ट, कंक्लूड योर एप्लीकेशन बाय एक्सप्रेसिंग ग्रैटिट्यूड फॉर योर एम्प्लॉयर्स और स्कूल्स अंडरस्टैंडिंग. अपनी एप्लीकेशन को इंक्लूड करें ग्रैटिट्यूड के साथ. अ पोलाइट टोन लीव्स अ पॉजिटिव इम्प्रेशन. एप्लीकेशन की पोलाइट और फॉर्मल टोन एक पॉजिटिव इम्प्रेशन देती है. Now let's look at the solved example of sick leave application. The question is, you are Ankit Gulati, a student of 12th class at Elcon Public School, Mayur Vihar, Delhi. You are having a high fever and need to take sick leave from 13th May to 15th May 2024. write a formal letter to the principal of your school requesting the sick leave. आप अंकित गुलाटी हो, 12th क्लास के स्टूडेंट, एल्कॉन पब्लिक स्कूल मयूर विहार में पढ़ते हो। आपको हाई फीवर है एंड आपको सिक लीव लेनी है 13 मई से 15 मई तक की। तो अब आपको फॉर्मल लेटर लिखना है अपनी स्कूल प्रिंसिपल को और रिक्वेस्ट करनी है कि वो आपकी लीव एप्लीकेशन को एक्सेप्ट करें। First of all comes the sender's detail, that is Ankit Gulati, Mayur Vihar, Delhi 110091. Then write the date, that is 12th May 2024. Then write the receiver's details, that is the principal, Elcon Public School, Mayur Vihar, Delhi 91. Subject application for sick leave. Then salutation, that is respected sir. Then the main content, I am writing to request sick leave due to my illness. I am a student of class 12th. With due respect, I would like to notify you that I have been suffering from viral fever since last night. As per the advice of the physician, I have been advised to take complete bed rest for at least 3 days. I request you to grant me a leave for 3 days, that is from 13th May to 15th May 2024. I will be highly obliged for your kindness. Thanking you, yours faithfully, Ankit Gulati, class 12. So this was all about sick leave application. I hope it is clear. I will discuss some other topic in my next video. So till then, stay tuned and please subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want to suggest some other topic, then you can DM me on Instagram or email me. Each and every detail is given in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.